Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this wavy hair look that I have posted on my Instagram a lot and you all keep asking me about it. So finally today I'm going to show you how I do it and the pretty affordable tool that I use. So let's get into it. I'm still growing out an undercut, so I have all these shorter hairs underneath my top layer of hair. So I'm going to make a more shallow part so that I have longer hair on each side of my head. So one side isn't like fully wavy and the other side's like half flat. I start off by sectioning off my hair into two layers, and I'm going to start with the bottom layer. The tool I'm using today is the Bedhead Wave Artist. This comes in a couple different models, but I think this one is the cheapest, and it gives you pretty good mid-sized waves. There are other tools that you can customize what kinds of waves you want depending on the day, but I like this one for my hair type and for the look that it gives me. So I'm going to take about an inch or an inch and a half section of hair and clamp it between the styling tool. There are two important things to remember here: where you start and the angle you use. So the instructions say to start your wave at the root of your hair, but to me that looks kind of weird. So I start my wave at around the top of my ear level, and that seems to get me the most sort of natural looking wave. The second thing to remember is the angle. A wave straight across your hair looks kind of unnatural and it really gives you that kind of 90s crimped look. So I always do this at an angle, maybe like a 45-degree angle. Today I stuck with the same angle, but you can do whatever you think makes your hair look the best. And I have pretty short, like bob length hair, but if you have longer hair, all you have to do is line up the end of your last wave with the top of the styling tool and it will just continue the wave. And I do have to do this with my more like front-facing pieces of hair. So yeah, you just get the hang of it after a while. So after I do my whole head with waves, I spray it with hairspray and do a little bit of fluffing to make it all kind of come into one and look natural. And one thing I might suggest is a heat protectant glove, because with this tool it's very easy to burn your hand, especially when you're doing stuff behind your head and you can't really see. So consider investing in a pair of heat protectant gloves, because I have burned myself several times while using this tool, but I just love how it looks and it doesn't have the same like time it takes to do like curling, so I really like it, even if it does burn me. And that's it. Actually, it's a super fun casual wavy look. It's good for any hair length, and you can see that even though I didn't get all of the short hairs that are underneath my hair, that are just too short to be in this tool, you really can't tell. So I think this style is great for people who are growing out undercuts or pixie cuts, or who just got their hair cut short and they're like want a different alternatives, just like straight. And I really like it. So that's my wavy hair tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to ring the notification bell if you haven't done that either, so you always know when I post a new video. You can follow me on my social media, which is on the screen and in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me, and I will see you next time. Bye.